Ассалаумалейкум достар, сендермен мен Абдуразақов достар. Free Fire ойында бүгін біз өзім чувствительностьті көрсететін боламын. Мен чувствительным, ол яғни мен смартфоным ол Huawei p20. Алдарыңызда чувствительность көрсетіледі. Все. Көрдіңіздер ғой. Енді мен DPI 500 ойнаймын. Ағын сізде айтчаш кетпей жатса, DPI 500-ге қоя аласыздар. 500-тен асырмаңыздар. А то приложение бәрі құрып кетеді телефоныңыздағы. Енді кнопкаға келетін болсақ, ол алдарыңызда көрдіңіздер. Енді мен барлық настройкамды көрдіңіздер, немен ойнаймын, бәрін көрдіңіздер. Енді көп сызбай, карантинде іштеріңіз пыспасын деп мен сіздерге Higlight әзірлеп қойдым, соны көрейік.
Fire in the belly, had it from the start. Been a long road, but I raised the bar. Ain't no one like us, nah, nah, nah. Ain't no one like us, nah, nah, nah. Fire in the belly, had it from the start. Been a long road, but I raised the bar. Ain't no one like us, nah, nah, nah. Ain't no one like us, nah, nah, nah.
It's cold V and DD in this bitch. We about to rip the roof off and tear it to bits. I wanna see your hands in the air pumping a fist. Let's take you go to get down and start sucking your dick, because it's the one that the crew gonna jump to. It's the one that the girls make love to. Of course, he's a master of lyrical kung fu. The DJ's rhymes will get you higher than mushrooms. Kicking in the door to the scene is a must do. Bust through. Think it's finally my time to make moves. Cold is coming up, so the scene better make room. Get blue, play this track loud when you're drunk, dude. My check 1, 2, next round's on you. Always smoking weed, so they want to call it drug juice. That weed, I'd probably put your neck in a noose. Without weed, I probably wouldn't even step in the booth. Without weed, you wouldn't even get it into the truth. Yo, I'm stoned out now, bet you listening, dude. Cause we wrote this one to get you lit with the crew. Don't get all jealous when your missus listening true. That shit will cause a fight and I'll be breaking your tooth. No, instead, raise your drinks up, it's time to get loose. And we can party all night till the morning is new. No matter how hard you go, I'll be better than you. What's called V and DD, the shit is just what we do. So grab yourself a drink and buy us one too. Buy us one too, buy us one too, buy us one too.
Fire in the belly, had it from the start. Been a long road, but I raise a bar. Ain't no one like us, nah, nah, nah. Ain't no one like us, nah, nah, nah.
Fire in the belly, had it from the start. Been a long road, now I raise the bar. Ain't no one like us, nah, nah, nah. Ain't no one like us, nah, nah, nah.
Damn, Cozy, why you always talk so reckless? Why don't you tell the girls, give them a pearl necklace? Try something new, like maybe take it for breakfast.
Man, fuck that.
Man, this dude's just sexist. But that's how you wanna be identified. Like, give it an evil dude, I'll be the nice guy. Fine, let's give it a try, but I'll end up misbehaving. Struck it down the lightning, so you can call me Raiden. Which just means I'm a shock to your system, like I'm a link in a chain that you've been missing. I'm hot like friction and shine like glisten. And ever since the start I've been a man on a mission. It's my decision and I change around the corner. Hit you for 6 like I was David Warner. I'm king of the pack, take a mark, I nick that. And the whole of Raw faction has got my back. Now how's that? How's that? How's that?
Keep your eyes on him. He's been training a young guy as his only killer. Together they're very strong.
Damn straight, bro, the crew's got your back. Just give me a call, Cozy's in with blades and bats. What the motherfuckers at, man? I'm down to smash.
I'm glad you feel that way, but man, you need to chill. Talking all that crazy shit is gonna get us killed. Unless you're talking metaphors like lyrical skill. Well, in that case, let the MC's blood spill.
I knew I chills when I fucking down 3 pills. And my chemist won't give me any more refills. Yeah, blood's gonna spill, but don't get this cause I'm nuts. And lately I seem to get around drunk as fuck.
If that's the case, then you ain't gonna listen. Well, I guess DG's gonna have to abort mission. His dude's too loose and he's too far gone. So look at the way he comes a destructive storm.
Достар, осымен видеомыз тәмамдалды. Достар, мен сіздерден сұрайтын, әрине бұл барлық ютуберлер сұрайды бұны. Мен сіздерден лайк сұраймын, подписаться сұраймын, сосын комментарий сұраймын, потом лайк сұраймын, достар. Осы нәрселерді орындап кеттіңіздер. Потом мен сіздерге бір сұрағым бар еді. Сіздер маған видео жасауға идея тастай аласыздар ма? Яғни идея. Комментария жазып кетіңіздер, қандай видео жасайын. Қандай видео сіздерге көбірек қызық, Higlight қызық па, обучалка қызық па, әлде бірге бір қызық шығар. Соны жазып кетіңіздер. Достар, осымен менің Highlight'ым, менің чувствительность жайлы видеом тәмамдалды. Келесі видеода көріскенше аман сау болыңыздар.